We start on the River Dart at Kingswear, number 9 on the Torbay Express, 18th of August 2019. We're going to compare this loco with its 00 scale model by Bachmann. Let's start with an action video sequence of number 9 alongside the River Dart on the Torbay Express on that August day.
Right.
I bought this Bachmann Gresley A4 about 15 years ago. Almost forgotten I got it. On the front it's got the blue Sir Nigel Gresley. And if I say I was slightly surprised when you have a look inside, it's actually a green number 9. So I thought, oh, we'll do something with that. So let's take our loco out of the box. It should just slide out there. Old style packaging, lots of polystyrene, that looks nice. That looks nice in there. We've got the parts diagram. Looks like some detailed parts in here. As I said, I'm looking for hopefully a nameplate and a springbok. So let's have a look there. And there, look what we've got. A nameplate Union of South Africa and springbok logos. It's got another detail pack here. Let's see what's there. There's a driver and a fireman. And a couple of other detailed parts, which I'm sure will be in the instructions. It's nice to have a driver and a fireman on your loco though. We'll take our loco out. And we'll try and get our tender out. Same way, try and pull it vertically up, then you don't displace any of these detail bits on the end. Take the packaging away. There's our loco and tender. Stand them up the right way, and we'll have a close-up look at that. So there's a nice close-up shot of our model. Quite nice detailing on the front there. Again, no nameplates at the moment. We're going to have a go at putting them on shortly. And there's a works plate and there's some springbok logos, so plenty to do. The easiest way to show you around the whole loco is to put it on a piece of track, and then I can turn the track and then the loco will turn round. So we'll do that next. So there's the left hand side view. It's a nice green on this. I do like that. I like the detail bits. No nameplate yet. No springbok, no works plate. Let's just start to turn it round. See it from a few angles. That's 3/4 front. That's the right hand 3/4. Nice rear shot. Look at the detail in that. Superb. Here's our plastic detail bag. The first items we've taken out are very teeny. There's a brass whistle there which is going to go on top of the loco just there. And there's a fake coupling hook which I've already just tried in the loco there. And we're going to put that back in a moment with a dab of glue. And then these ones are left in the bag, which I won't do at the moment. These are the driver and fireman and their seats for the cab. I'll just do the outside I think today. Just going to use a dab of general purpose glue, and it really is only a teeny dab we need, so we might have a go at that whistle first as it's waiting for us down there. Get a dab of glue, just pop it on there. Press it down. Push it in gently like that, and with a little dab of glue that's in there, that should hold. So we've got our whistle and our fake coupling on. So the next piece from our other detail bag, we've got our loco nameplates, Union of South Africa, and there we've got, very teeny, we've got a springbok. Now the springbok is going to go over the centre of the driving wheel, which is there, and these nameplates are going to fit one each side just there. Very teeny, you've got to be careful with this, but they are brass, but they're very thin. I think we can trim them with a sharp scalpel. So I think we'll start with this springbok with the nameplate there. Just remove it from its holder. On the original, that springbok, so with the centre driving wheel, the top of it's in line with these, I think these are oiling compartments, hinges, so we're going to try and drop it on there. And that just needs a teeny dab of glue on the back. And we're going to try and drop it on. And we'll drop it there. And we'll just only put a little bit of glue on so it shouldn't make a mess. So that's its position. I'm quite pleased with that, just down a little bit. That's its position. I think we'll just leave that to dry, not touching that for a while. Right, we're going to try for the nameplates now, Union of South Africa. That's going to go on the front of the loco there. There's a board waiting for it. That's plastic. This is probably etched brass, but just very thin, so I think we can trim it with a scalpel. Get a scalpel in there. Cut through that one. I'll do that one while I'm there. So there we are, I've got our two nameplates now. This is where we go back to the dab of glue and positioning ritual. So this is where our dab of glue comes in again and positioning. So we put a dab of glue on there, hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Pick up our nameplate in the pliers. Get our dab of glue. A little bit on that end. A little bit on this end, and we go for positioning. Again, it's not contact adhesive, so we can do a little bit of manipulation once we've got it there. And that's pretty close. Now we're going to have a go at our works plates, which, like this one here, I'm going to put underneath the number. I've taken one out already. These are very teeny, so this is the old dab of glue stuff. I'll just trim that one out and we'll just try and dab them on the cab side. I'll just try and position it now. Got it the right way up so it reads Doncaster. Press it on there, and like the others, leave it to dry. And we'll do the same for the other side. Our model's starting to look more like the original. Got a nameplate, Uni of South Africa. I've got a brass whistle. Got fake coupling in between the buffers. If we move it along a bit, we've got a springbok over the centre driving wheel. And we've got a Doncaster works plate underneath the engine number. So there's our original loco. I took that photo in August 2019. We've got the Union of South Africa nameplates, we've got the springbok. We haven't got a works plate underneath the loco number. That's probably the Cameron coat of arms. Ready for a run on the track. There we have our finished detail model. We've added the whistle, the fake coupling, lovely nameplate, springbok and a works plate. Looks pretty smart. So let's just have a look how she runs on the track. Just put her on the small terminus layout. Right, we're finished where we started, on the banks of the River Dart, August 2019. The real No.9 on the Torbay Express. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.